Hello everyone, I am your Deepak. I welcome you all to your YouTube channel Excellent Academy. In this session, I am going to explain you how to do division using base method. In this session, I am going to explain you how to do division using a method called as base method. So why to waste our time? Let us go for the examples straight away. Now, first problem, I will show you the conventional way how you are doing. Later I will explain my basic trick. Okay. First problem I will give you the conventional way how you are doing. Okay. Now I am dividing 4321 by 199. Now first step what you are going to do, you have to see from how many times it will go. Okay. You have to go for trial and error method. Okay. So first I will go by 5. 9 5 is 45. Okay. 4 carry. 45 plus 4 49. Now I will see 432, this is bigger, so again trial and error, I will go by 4 now. Okay, 9 4 is 36, 3 carry, 9 4 is 36 plus 3 39, how many times? 4 times is 396, this will be 2, okay, so this is 6, okay, now this will be 3, this will be 0, this will be 1, again 99, 3 times, 27, 2, 27 plus 29, okay, 4 times it will be bigger, so 3 times is what? 297, okay, this will be what? 64. See the quotient what you got is 43, what is remainder you got is 64. Please see here, whatever answer I got was very lengthy. I need to go for trial and error to get my answer, correct? Now I will give you the basic trick. Without any trial and error, I will get my answer very quickly and that too accurately. You can compare your answer as well. What the quotient what I got, the quotient what I got is here 43, remainder what you got is 64. Now I will apply my basic trick and I will show you how I will get the answer very quickly. Please observe now. Now, see 99, the base for this number is 100. The base is what? 100. Okay. I am dividing 4321 by 99, correct? The base is 100. 99 is below your 100, correct? It is less than 100. In division, if it is less, you have to represent by positive sign. Just reverse of your multiplication. If a number is below your base, you have to represent by plus symbol. How much below? 1 below. This is 1 less compared to your 100, right? Now, first step, this is what you have to write. Next step is 100 got how many 0? 2 0. So you need to split 2 digits from your right side. You need to divide 2 digits from the right side. Okay. After you divide, the leftmost digits after division you have to write as it is. So what is your leftmost digit after division? I mean dividing the numbers like this, 43, right? 43 as it is. 43 1 times is what? 43. Now you need to multiply these two. 43 1 time is 43. Okay. Now add this 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now quotient what I got is 43. This is the quotient part and this will be the remainder part. Remainder part is 64. Please check out the same answer I got. Quotient is what? 43. Remainder is 64. Without any trial and error, I got my answer. Without any trial and error, I got my answer. Hope you have understood. Okay. I will go for a few more examples. You will understand better. Okay. So nothing to worry. I will explain many problems. Now, I am dividing this number by 97. I am dividing this number by 97. Please observe. 32435 by 197. The base is 100, right? This is below. Below means plus symbol. Below by 3. Okay. 100 got how many 0? 2 0. You have to split 2 digits from your right side. After division, what is the leftmost digit? 3. You have to write as it is. The leftmost digit you have to write as it is. Okay. Now 3 into 3 is 9. Add to this. Now it will become what? 33. 24 plus 9 is 33. Next. This will be the remainder part. The rightmost digit will be the remainder parts. Correct? Now 33 into 3 is what? 99. 33, 3 times is 99. You add this now. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3 is 134. Okay. Now, see here, I am dividing this number by what? 97. What the quotient is, this part will be the quotient and this will be the part remainder. Okay. Quotient 333 I got plus something I will do, please here. The remainder what I got is 134. But 134 I can divide further by 97, right? Still I can divide by 97. From 97 I can divide 134. How many times I can divide? One time I can divide. 97 one time is 97. So quotient will become 334. Okay. After dividing this by 97, what is the remainder? The remainder is 337. Remainder is 37. Please here. You have to check the remainder whether it will go by the given number 97. Yes, it will go 134. How many times? 1 times 97. Okay. So this 14 minus 7 is 7. Here 12. Now 12 minus 9 is 3. This is 0. What is the remainder? 37. Whether you can divide further by 97? No. So answer for this question. Quotient is 334. Remainder is 37. Okay. Hope you have understood with this example also. Now I am going to divide the given number by 95. I am going to divide the given number by 95. 1, 2, 4, 3, 1 by your 95. I am going to divide it by 95. What is the base? The base is 100. It is below base by how much? 5. Below means plus symbol, I have already told. Base got how many 0? 2 0. Split 2 digit now. Okay. The rightmost digit will be the remainder part. Okay. Now, first digit, leftmost digit. Okay, what you got? You have to write as it is. 1 into 5 is 0, 5. This will be 9, 29. Now 29 5 times. I need to find 29 5 times. 9 5 is 45, 4. 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. 29 5 times is 145. I have to add here 145. I am adding 145. 5 plus 1 is 6. This will be 7. This will be 176. Now from which number I am dividing this number? I am dividing by 95. Okay, but what the remainder I got, I can further divide by 95. Correct? So what will be the question? You please here. 129 plus. Okay, please here. So 95. How many times will 176 will go? One time only. 5. This is 1. Okay. Now 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay, this is 0. How many times I did? One time. So quotient is 130 and remainder what I got is 81. I cannot divide further 81 by 95. That's it. The quotient is 130. This is your quotient and this will be your remainder. Hope you have understood with this example. Okay, I will go for the other example now. Now I am going to divide the given number by 994. I am going to divide the given number by 994. What is the base? Base is 1000 now. The base is 1000. Now please observe. I will write 3, 4, 2, 1, 5. I am dividing by 994. Base is 1000. It is below by how much? It is below by 6. Below means plus in your division. 1000 got 3 0. So I will split 3 digit as it is. Okay, from your left. The leftmost digit, this will be the remainder part. See here? This will be the remainder part. And the leftmost digit I have to write as it is. 34 I will write as it is. Now 34 6 times I need to find. 34 6 times. 6 4 is 24, 2 carry, 18 plus 2 is 20. So I will add 204 for this. Okay. This will be 9, this will be 1, this will be 4. Now, this is the remainder. Whether we can divide the 419 from 994? No, not at all possible. This is less compared to this. Therefore, that's my answer. Quotient is 34. Remainder is 419. Remainder is 419. Hope you have understood with this example. See how quickly and accurately I am doing. Okay, now I am going to take a number which is above your base. Above your base. Okay, this example you please observe now. Okay. Four, three, two, one. In division, if the number is above base, you have to represent by minus symbol. Okay, if it is above base, you have to represent by the minus symbol. How much above? 3 above. Above means minus. 100 got how many 0? 2 0. So split 2 digit from your right side. The left, this will be the remainder part. Okay. The leftmost digit you have to write as it is. 43. Now 43 into minus 3. 43 into minus 3. 3 3 is 9. 4 3 is 12. Minus 129. So minus 129. Minus 129. So I have to add minus 129 and you are 21. So this will be minus Plus into plus and minus will be minus. 9 minus 1 is 8. This will be 0. This is 1. So the remainder what I got is minus 108. What I got is minus 108. Now, initially you ignore the sign. Okay. So just you see here. Consider only 108. Now from which number I am dividing? 103. Whether I can divide 108 from 103? Yes. How many times it will go? One time. Therefore, quotient is 43. Since it is minus symbol is there, if it is plus 1, since it is minus 1 is there, you write minus 1 here. Okay. 108, how many times it will go? One time, right? 103 and minus 108. How many times? Okay, it will go by minus 1 times. It is minus 103. Okay. So what is the remainder? Minus 5 is the remainder. Correct? Okay. Now, it is minus 1 time, right? So therefore minus 1. The quotient is what now? 42. Still I didn't get my answer. Please observe now. So what is the remainder I got? What the remainder I got is minus 5. Whether you will get a negative remainder anywhere? No, you cannot get negative remainder. But I got in my Vedic mathematics. So you need not to worry. Just you need to some adjustment now. If you get a negative number as a remainder, what you need to do is you have to subtract this given number from the given number. Like, what is the number? From which number I am dividing? From 103 I am dividing. The negative remainder is 5. So I will subtract this. So what is the answer? 98. 103 minus 5 is 98. This will be the remainder. Whenever you are getting a negative number, you should do like this. Okay. Given number minus the negative number. So 98. After you do this, again you have to subtract. Okay. So quotient is what? 41. Okay. Converting the negative remainder to positive means you have to do minus 1 for your quotient. 42 minus 1 is what? 41. So quotient is 41 and remainder is 98. See how quickly I am doing now. Since you are a beginner, I am explaining everything. Okay, it is taking time for me. If I do, I can do in seconds. Okay. Now, the base for this number is definitely 100. This is above by 113. Sorry, 13. It is above by 13. Okay, 130 is above by 100 by 13, right? So 4, 7, 3, 2, 1. This is above by 13. Above means in minus in your division symbol, division problems. Okay. Now 100 got 2 zeros, so I will split to 2 digit now. This the rightmost digits are the remainder part. The leftmost digit you have to write as it is. Now 13 into 4 minus 13 into 4 is minus 52. Minus 52. Please here minus, don't forget to put minus symbol. Okay. 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay. Now this will be the remainder part, right? Now I need to find out 30 into 21. I need to find out 21 into minus 13. Okay. Minus 13 into 1 is minus 13. Okay. Carry 1. 13 2 is 26 plus 1 is 27. Plus into minus is minus. Okay. See 13 1 is 13. 13 2 is 26 plus 1 minus 1. Now I need to put here minus 273. Minus 273. Now please here. Minus 273 and 21. I am adding up. This is minus 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, this will be 2. So what the remainder I am getting is minus 252 I am getting. But this is not the final remainder. Okay, this is not the final remainder. Now please here. Quotient what I have got so far is 421, but it is not the final quotient. What the remainder I got now is minus 252. But please observe whether I can divide 252 again by 113. Yes, you can divide. How many times? 2 times it will go. Please see. 113 and 252. How many times? 2 times. That is 226. 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay. Here 4 minus 2 is 2. This is 0. Since it is a negative symbol is there, so this will be minus symbol I will write. Okay. Now 113 how many times? 2 times. But negative symbol, therefore minus 2. Therefore quotient become 419. Still this is not an answer. Okay. So what is the final remainder I got is minus 26 I am getting. See here. Minus 252. If I subtract 226, what is the remainder? Minus 26. Whether you can divide this? No, you cannot divide this. So, but I cannot get the negative remainder. If you are getting a negative remainder, what you need to do is 113 given number minus 26. Okay. 13 minus 6 is 7. Here 10. 10 minus 2 is what? 8. Okay, here 0. This now it become positive. After you convert the negative remainder into positive, what you need to do is minus 1 for your quotient. So quotient is 418 and the remainder is 87. Okay, quotient is 418 and remainder is 87. 2342 by 33. I am dividing 2342 by your 33. 2342 by your 33. See, 33 is not near to 100. So I will make it near to 100 by multiplying by 3. What I will do? 33 I will multiply by 3. It will become 99. So 99 is near my 100. Okay. Now, for the 99, what is the base? Base is 100. 99 is below base by 1. Okay. So, now, base is 100. 100 got how many zeros? 2 zeros. Split 2 digits from your right side. First step is you have to write the leftmost digit as it is. This will be the remainder part. 23 1 times is 23. The remainder what you are getting is 65. Okay. Now please observe. From which number I am dividing? From 99 I am dividing now. Okay. Whether you can divide 65 from 99? No. Okay. Now, quotient what I got is 23. Okay. But I need to divide this number by 33, not from 99, correct? So, what I have done to make get 99 is 33 into 3, right? So, therefore, I will multiply this by 3. What I have done is into 3, therefore, I will do into 3 here also. 3 into 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. Now, what the quotient I got is 69. Okay. What the remainder I am getting is 65. From which number I am dividing now? 33, right? How many times it will go? One time. 33, 65 I can further divide by 33, right? Therefore, how many times? One time. Plus 1. This will become 70. So, if I divide this by 33, what is the remainder then? 5 minus 3 is 2. 3, that is the remainder. So, if you divide 65 from 33, okay, one time it will go. So, I will add to the quotient and the remainder is 32. The answer for this question is, quotient is 70, remainder is 32. You are a beginner, therefore I am writing every step. If you are not, if you are very much familiar, you can calculate everything in your mind itself. Okay. One more problem I am going. Please observe this also. I am dividing 4321 by your 449. I am dividing 4321 by your 449. 449, in order to make near to base, I will multiply by 2. Okay. 9 2s is 18. 4 2s is 8 plus 1, 9. This is 8. Got it? What I have done? Multiply by 2. So 898 is near to 1000. But it is below 1000. How much below? 1, 0, 2. Below means plus in your Vedic division. Now base for this is 1000. 1000 got 3 zeros. Split 3 digit now from your left. Okay, from your right. Split the 3 digit from your right. The leftmost digit you write as it is. This will be the remainder part, right? Now, this you have to multiply. 4 2s is 8. This is 0. This is 4. You add them. 9 2 7. Okay. Now, from which number I am doing dividing now? 898. Okay. So, whether you can divide further? No, you cannot divide 729 further. So, what I got? Quotient is 4. But actually, from which number I need to divide? I need to divide by 449, correct? Not from 898. So, I have done an adjustment to make the problem easy. What is adjustment? Into 2. Therefore, I will multiply again by 2. 4 2 is 8. Okay. Now you check out. 729 is the remainder. But I can divide by 449. Correct? How many times it will go? 1 times. Okay. Remainder. Okay. If you subtract 449 from this, 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay. Now, 12 minus 4 is 8. Here 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Got it? What is the remainder? 280. How many times you divided 729 from 449? 1 time. Therefore, plus 1 for this. Therefore, the quotient for this example is 9. Remainder is 280. Quotient is 9. Remainder is 280. Hope you have understood problem. I am dividing this number by 51. I am dividing this number by 51. What is number? 234122. Okay. Now 51. It is not near to 100. So how to make it near 100? You multiply by 2. It will become what? 102. Now the base is what? 100. This is above base. Above means minus in your division. Above by 2. What is our base now for 102? 100 is the base. 100 got 2 0, therefore split 2 digit. Correct? Now, this is the remainder part. The leftmost digit you write as it is. 23 into minus 2 is minus 46, minus 46. Here, 41 minus 46 is minus 5, minus 0, 5. Okay, minus 0, 5. Now, minus 5 into minus 2 is plus 10. See, this will be plus 10. Remainder is 32 now. Now, what the quotient I got is 2, 3, 0, 5. But it is 5, it is negative, right? Therefore, I am representing by the bin column form. Now, what do you mean by 5 bar? That is 10 minus 5, that is 5. I have explained you already in the previous sessions how to do, take the complement of that. If it is negative number, next number I have to reduce by 1. So what do you mean by minus 1? 10 minus 1, that is 9. This will also become minus 1. Okay. Negative number previous means left digit I have to do minus 1. This will be 2, this will be 2. Actually from which number I need to divide? I need to divide by 51. But I did it by what? 102. Okay. So 51, for 51 to get 102 I have multiplied by 2. Therefore I will multiply this by 2. 5 2 is 10. 8 2 is 9 2 is 18 plus 1 19. Okay, carry 1. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. This is 4. Now 32. 32 I cannot divide even by 102 and not even by 51. Therefore quotient is this. Remainder is 32 as it is. Hope you have understood with this example also. With this I am ending this session. Hope you have understood. So with this I am ending this session. If you have not understood, you can please feel free to ask me. My WhatsApp number is 9742331968. With this I am ending this session. If you have not still subscribed my channel, subscribe right now. Don't forget to click on the bell button. If you like my videos, like them and share them. Thank you.